Okay, so I just put that one and this one here.
And considering they're only half full.
Yeah.
Oh, look at this. No,
Okay.
the stupid poofter.
What?
It won't go in.
Oh.
Yeah, that one goes in. But the two prongers, like ours, they're locked.
So far, did you like the shift?
Ah,
It's not running yet.
I don't know, love. It's a ship. You know, let's see.
Let's see. Let's see outside. So you're gonna pay more for the balcony.
I paid $300 each.
So
For the balcony.
300 back each. So that's where we were. There. Went down there and here. So
Yeah. So for the balcony, we paid $600, I think, between us.
so this is the Century Victory Cruise Liner in Chongqing. For more details, contact Captain Road.
Contact Google, but not in China.
Okay.
Doesn't work.
So ding ding for now, and later we'll let you see the food if we can. If we can't, you need to see it yourself. Okay.
Okay.